Let's coach. Everyone can coach for a better world. Every leader can be a great coach. Let's Coach 365's daily inspiration for a better world. Learn, reflect, act, and share nuggets of wisdom every day. Let's Coach stories. Uplifting souls for a better world. Touching lives with stories that ignite the coaching spirit. Let's Coach learning. Profound wisdom for a better world. Tap on daily transformative lessons for cutting-edge coaching capabilities. Let's Coach mastery. 5 levels of mastery for a better world. Your lifetime guide to the 5 levels of mastery book. Let's Coach toolkit. Empowering leaders for a better world. Enable profound coaching sessions for consistent results. Let's Coach results. Rapid progress for a better world. Expert guidance and fast results every time, everywhere, everyone. Let's Coach game. Fun challenges for a better world. Play and enjoy the coaching mastery journey every step of the way. Let's Coach Marshall AI. Mentor coach for a better world. Capitalize on AI to multiply the wisdom and power of coaching. Leverage on the 8 game-changing system for accelerated leadership transformation in life and executive coaching, team and strategic coaching, and create a high-performance coaching culture for sustainable growth. Let's Coach. Everyone can coach for a better world. Download and use Let's Coach today to enable love, happiness, and success in abundance.